Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm purging condiments. I just came back a few days ago from a trip, and before I left I cleaned out the fridge of all the stuff that would go bad while we were gone, and I didn't even touch the door because I know there's a lot in there that's expired or we don't use or whatever. So I'm just going to start sorting that now. Here's what's staying. I got a pad of paper to write down what I need to replace because some of the expired things, we don't remember a time when this wasn't in our house. It's time to replace it. Lime juice expired in May, and the lemon juice is already gone, so I will put that on my list. I love these Both House Farms dressings. I had you'll see more of them. I had too many of them. They expire really quickly, so I think I should just pick one or two at a time. These are still good. We're almost out. I'm gonna put them on my list. Trader Joe's pepper jelly, minced garlic, and maple syrup. Shelves and liners I took out and washed. Here we get into just old stuff. Barbecue sauce, April. I think I did this last year. I don't think I'm seeing anything that expired in 2017, so that's kind of exciting. Mustard, August. It has to have been sitting there for a long time though. Mustard doesn't go bad quickly. August, soy vinaigrette. I don't even really like this one. Oh, this was on my Bolt House. This one, I can't read the date on, and I have another bottle that says September 29th. This could be September 29th. I probably won't go through a bottle and a half between now and September 29th, so I'm just gonna get rid of this. Balsamic vinaigrette. This stuff just, it's in the refrigerator case. It just expires really quickly. I bought it a couple weeks ago, and it expires tomorrow, so I'm just gonna let it go. This one expired August 1st. I think it expired like a week and a half after I bought it or something. I just have to only buy these when I'm about to use them. The salad dressing I'm left with is a Bold House honey mustard and the Brianna's vinaigrette. This is a really good one. Much higher in calories, but it's tasty. It's a sample that came with something. It is not expired. I don't know why I put it in the door of my fridge. It has 200 milligrams of caffeine in it. I can hardly tolerate like a cup of tea, so I just don't need this in my life. Oh, we do have one from 2017, December 2017. Green Dragon hot sauce. So I'm guessing I did this last fall. I don't know how frequently I should be doing this. Always more frequently than I am though, right? July. I don't use a ton of taco sauce, so I think I will wait to repurchase it until I'm actually making a recipe that requires it. Mystery jar of pickles, which my son put back in with. Now, this one we bought for my son kind of as a joke because he likes jalapenos and he likes pickles. But I guess he never ate it. So there's everything that's going. Should have a little more room in the fridge now. I have a couple things I'm going to write on the list that expire fairly soon that we don't use that frequently. The gochujang sauce. I've never used that. I need to look for a recipe for how to do something with tofu with it or something. And plum sauce. So I wrote those on a little post-it, which I will stick in my planner so I remember to use them sometime soon. The wine is unopened. I'm not a big wine drinker, but this is a New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc, and those have like a grapefruity, they're dry but fruity. I really like them, citrusy, fruity tasting, and this one is always pretty cheap and it's tasty. I don't drink that much, but it's always nice to have something in the fridge if you're going somewhere. Have something already cold to take with you. This I bought for the kid. Barbecue sauce. We seem to have a ton of barbecue sauce. Ketchup. This isn't even opened. I don't know if you need to keep it refrigerated once it's been refrigerated. I don't know. I will. I think I have more room in the refrigerator than in the cabinet, so I'll put these kind of condiments all together. relish. Sweet and sour sauce needs to be washed. This came in a degusta box. We haven't tried it, but it's good till February. Maybe someone will be interested. Barbecue sauce. Pickles will go in with that if they fit. And breakfast and dessert condiments will go in one bin. I bought this tomato paste in a tube because it's a cool idea, because then you don't have to like waste a whole can of tomato paste. But then it says refrigerate after opening and use within 15 days. So I'm like afraid to open it. But it's good to me. One of these days I'll work up my courage. Hope you enjoyed watching me clean out my fridge. If you're new to my channel, click subscribe below. See you Friday.